The unstoppable city. Cancer, communication, and resistance. Inside this rogue city, communication never stops. Tiny messengers called exosomes carry genetic blueprints that spread drug resistance and recruit new allies. The tumor microenvironment becomes a fortress, protecting cancer cells from chemotherapy, radiation, and even the immune system's assault. As the tumor grows, oxygen runs out, creating hypoxia, a state of suffocation. Oxygen fades from tissue, cells glow red and distorted, signaling chaos. But instead of dying, cancer cells adapt. They switch to anaerobic metabolism, produce lactic acid, and release signals. These signals make them even more aggressive, more resistant, more invasive. The hypoxia forces a survival strategy shift. Resistance mechanisms are visibly strengthened by the harsh conditions. In this darkness, evolution accelerates. Suffocation becomes the catalyst for radical change. Lactic acid fuels this aggressive new state. The most resilient cells thrive in the starved landscape. Hypoxia is not the end. It is a powerful evolutionary pressure.